Hi, welcome to today's video. We're trying a full face of makeup today from Laura Geller. I'm so excited. If you have seen any of my videos, you know that I love Laura Geller Baked, Balanced, and Brighten Powder Foundation. It's beautiful and perfect for mature skin. It doesn't sit in fine lines. It gives you a nice smooth finish and it's not cakey. So today I'm going to try something different. Before we get started, my name is Mimi. This is Simply Sophisticated Over 50. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I didn't have any Laura Geller brow products, so I went ahead and put on a little brows. But other than that, everything else is going to be Laura Geller products. And be sure to stick around to the end so you can see the finished product. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the Baked Full Face Palette. This is a really nice palette. It's got a mirror, really good for travel. This particular palette has eyeshadow. This is all baked. Eyeshadow, powder, bronzer, and blush. The powder foundation came separately. Also with this set, I got a Laura Geller brush. This is a retractable brush. It's very soft, it's angled, you just push it up. You can use this for powder or for foundation. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the eyeshadow. So upon closer inspection of this palette, the back of it has a how-to. It shows you a tutorial of what goes where, and it actually shows you that it is two highlighters, not a powder and a highlighter. So there are the eyeshadows, there's the blush, the bronzer, and two highlighters. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm really excited about these shades. They're neutrals, they are gorgeous. Using the lightest color. That color, and then we'll use that one last. And take the darker shade, put it right in here for my hooded eyes to give a more illusion of not having hooded eyes. This is really pretty so far. I'm really surprised at how pigmented these are. That's really awesome. The next thing I got is the Laura Geller Kajal collection. This has eyeliner, it has mascara, and it also has a lip pencil that you can use as a lip liner and a lip color. This is the Kajal Longwear eyeliner. It's deep black coal. With this pencil, it's really easy to get right along the lash line. And this is retractable. Okay, the mascara. This mascara is the Laura Geller Longwear Mascara. Gorgeous brush. It really separates your lashes so it doesn't clump. This is also a buildable mascara, so we'll be able to add a little volume. Now I'm going to come back to this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go to the lightest shade, which is shimmery, and I'm going to put that right in the corner. And I have to say, I really like the finish of the eyeshadow. It doesn't cake up and it went on very smoothly. It was the first time I've ever tried a baked eyeshadow. Okay, next we're gonna do our foundation. One of my favorites, as you know, is the Laura Geller Baked, Balanced, and Brighten foundation. It's a powder foundation. This is in the shade medium. One of my favorite things about it is it just looks so natural, and the fact that it goes on so quickly. And now for the bronzer. Oh wow. Now we're ready for the blush. This is Pink Buttercream. For the highlighter, there's a shimmery highlighter and there's one that's more matte. I'm gonna use the matte first, and what I'm gonna do with that one is I'm gonna take just a little bit of that and I'm gonna put that right around my eyes here. I don't want it too shiny. I do have oily skin. I'm 61 years old and I still have oily skin. Then I'm going to take the shimmer highlighter and I'm going to put that one right here down the center of my nose. and then just a little bit right on the top of my cheeks. This gives you the perfect glow. Now for the lip products. I have a couple of lip liners that I got that are waterproof lip liners. I also got this lip color that was in the Kajal set. You can use this as a lip liner and then you can just fill in the lip color. I want to try a waterproof pencil, so I got a couple of different colors. I got Major Mauve, and then I got Beautiful Berry. With this particular look, I'm gonna go with the lighter shade, which is the Major Mauve. So that's the Major Mauve waterproof lip liner. Then I'm gonna take the Beautiful Berry waterproof liner and I'm gonna put this right underneath the bottom of my lip just for a little contour. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use the Laura Geller Italian Marble Lipstick in Peach Bellini. Now, one other thing I want to do. With Laura Geller Baked Foundation, you really don't need powder, but I ordered this gorgeous powder from Laura Geller. This is the Filter Finish Radiant Setting Powder, and I want to put that on now that I've got my finished look, just to set everything. And there you have it. Here's the finished look using all Laura Geller products. The only thing I did not use was the brow products. I'm really happy with the results. Laura Geller products are by far some of the best products out there for mature skin. If you have not given them a try, what are you waiting for? Comment below if you have used Laura Geller products and tell me which one is your favorite. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like Laura Geller products as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up. I'm glad you joined me today. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.